Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your life. Friends, my today's video is very creative and unique in itself because in this video I am sharing a very beautiful wide variety of design ideas related to silk ribbon embroidery or silky thread embroidery. All of these are different names attributed to one only style, that is ribbon embroidery. Friends, ribbon embroidery looks highly creative, 3D, and it gives a ravishingly formal style pattern to your dresses. All of these designs are extremely new, beautiful, creative and unique. So I would bet and I will request you to kindly do try this pattern and make your plain already in use kurta, kurti, shirt, gown, bodycon dresses and many more short tops new, extremely new, highly designer style made, and instead of money spending a lot of money, you can just follow these very beautiful patterns and make a stylish and highly designer wear of your own by sitting at your own houses. So I hope that my today's request, my today's ideas, my today's suggestions and design ideas are absolutely fine, and this video collection is the only video that you are looking for. So do try these patterns at home and share your experiences with us. On my channel, you can watch a wide variety of design ideas related to women fashion, hand art, hand embroidery, silk, ribbon embroidery, crochet art, girls, fashionable accessories, handmade, baby dresses, knitting ideas, and many more creativities related to home decor and fashion world. So stay tuned for the new upcoming videos. Up till then, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. And if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you're watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe, and while subscribing, press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. With this, allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Stay tuned for the new and latest upcoming videos. So once again, thank you so much for watching, and keep supporting us, keep watching our content as you always have been, so that we could grow up into a larger and remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members.